your Wednesday afternoon. Phone lines are open 04
Don't tell me aakyat.
There's you and your kids.
So nga aakyat nga tayo.
Paakyat? Wala. Ay, picture mo yun. Shangri-La. Ayun, Shangri-La Hotel.
Please proceed to the lobby for the hotel party.
So I realized after babysitting last week, babysitting my nephew, that kids don't stop. They're
Babs, dito na kami. Dito sa may incline. Paakyat. Etong paakyat na to. Oo, sige. Papasok na kami ba? Okay, sige. Bye.
honestly, it's cute.
Alright. See? Sabi ko sa'yo mga di pucho-pucho dito eh. This is Shangri-La Hotel. Let's go to the lobby for the parking.
Sila nang mag-aano.
Ah, sige.
Ah, para siya kanina. Style dun sa Rixos.
Yes, moza-moza.
Break pala siya
Alright.
Rixos. Ikaw daw na?